Hi guys, welcome back to HADAL TV, in the sports segment.
Sports segment, yeah.
Yes, and we be covering today the new team on the block.
Phoenix, next gen
Yes,
in the
and
SBCL.
I'm sorry I wasn't there.
You was on holiday.
I was doing a vlog,
Yeah.
so I was working.
If that's working, then if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're going to be diving into the Somali British Champions League, game week 4, match day 4, however you know it. My name is Ahmed. Alongside me is
It's Asad.
I said, you nice bright. What is it? A sweater?
It's
What the Americans say, sweater.
What is it? It's a jumper, but it's I can't remember the brand of it now. It's annoying.
No, it looks pretty cool.
It's is it ice cream? No.
Is it Bape?
I think
Billionaire Boys Club.
Billionaire Boys Club.
Yeah.
That name went out of my head.
Do you know who
altogether.
put me onto that?
What?
One of my good friends called H. I'm not gonna disclose his government name, but yeah, man, he was into all of this. You know, Billionaires Boys Club, Carhartt, all this crazy stuff. I used to think, what's the Somali kid doing, bro?
Support all these companies.
He's so like, what's going on? Me, I like my solid colors: black, grey, white. That's all I do, man. But yeah, over the weekend, I don't even know where to begin, man.
Right, so okay, let me ask some questions.
Go on, let me have my tea.
I've seen, obviously, we did get a lovely message from Phoenix team. Obviously, they wanted to welcome us and everything like that. Thank you
Shout
for
out
that,
to,
and hopefully we'll catch up at some point. Hopefully.
Yep.
Tell me how did it go? Obviously, there was a lot of fears of like a lot of players were not turning up. There was a couple of players injured. What happened? Like, what was the turnout?
So I'm going to take off my Manchester Powerhouse hat and put on just, a neutral kind of hat on, which is going to be quite tough anyways. But when you hear kickoff 6 p.m. on a Sunday away to Bristol, nice, but then again, you're thinking about the drive back already. And some people have work, commitments, family. You're not getting back till like 11:30
It's a good
midnight.
time to kick off for getting there.
Yeah. You can't be late.
No, it's not 6 p.m.
Yeah.
No.
Surely not.
No, don't. Do not.
We weren't late. We got there before kickoff. That's good though. We got there before kickoff, right?
Yes.
So we met up at the local meeting spot at, I think it was like between 1 and 1:30.
Do not tell me it was a struggle for the team to make it at 6 p.m.
No, it wasn't. Let's just cut to the chase. I got to Bristol at 5:10.
Okay.
So 50 minutes. I think. Well, it was 5 cars in total. I believe the next car got there at
What happened to the coach?
No, because there was no need. It was a 16-seater minibus. 3 of the players already said we're gonna make our own way. As in, like, they're all gonna drive and they're gonna take their
It's a lot
boys
quicker
with them.
that way.
And me personally, I wanted to drive down because when the game finished, I wanted to get out of there because I got work Monday morning. So I wanted to get out of there. So in a way, there was no excuse of like I got work in the morning or anything like that because my plan was to get back ASAP. Yeah, and then the second car came at 5:20ish. Third car must have come like at 5:30 or 5:40. So you're starting to get the theme now.
I can see what's happening.
Yeah, we're getting closer and closer to kickoff time. Yeah, man. But one of the good things that we did this time is we took the kit with us, those that left early. Do you know normally we have to wait for
the
management and whatnot for...
So what time the last time car got?
I think probably like 10 to 6 or something, or 5:45. We still got time, but it's not ideal.
10 minutes to warm up.
Forget warm up. Like, there is a whole like structure. There is warm up. There is the pre-game conversation in the changing room. There is the media stuff. There is the team sheet that needs to get filled out. There's a lot of stuff there's a lot of logistics. So ideally, I would have liked for the Manchester team to be there by 5 is a cut-off point.
Yeah,
so anything
it's a
between
midday game.
4:30.
6 o'clock is a late game. It should be there earliest possible.
Yeah.
So obviously, typically, what we discussing here, those of you who don't know, is a common occurrence of lateness.
Yeah, I mean, I can't really fault anyone, like majority, because everyone was there waiting, but it's just man.
Right, so
it's not right.
What's
Anyways,
the team looking like?
Team, I would say it was like a mid quality.
So who was missing? Like, who was the regulars missing? Was Billy there?
Yes, but
Mosa.
Billy was there, but he did his ankle on a Saturday because obviously he plays, for another club. So he was already like on a 50. But to be fair, he did put a graft in, but I think the occasion and the crowd got to him later down the line, which we're gonna come and see in a second.
What about? So who else were we missing? Well, Mosa, I think Mosa played.
Mosa was there. To be fair, it's not about the players that were there or the players that weren't there as well, because that was the whole different thing that was addressed in the dressing room. It was more like how the game was played, because at the end of the day, it's what you do on the pitch. Yeah, man. I mean, we didn't have a keeper.
What?
Sammy, Sammy, if you know the situation, you got a red card against OIR.
Yeah, so we didn't get a replacement for him.
No. We got a replacement in the end. We appealed the red card because if you get a straight red, it's a 2-match ban.
Yeah.
But I think there was an appeal in the background that was happening that reduced it to 1-match ban because it wasn't like a
malicious.
Yeah,
it was a bit of a.
It was just a 50-50. And obviously with the new format of the tournament nowadays, there's only like 4 games. So if someone's missing 2, you're missing 50% of the tournament. So I think shout out to SBCL and the committee for.
Makes sense.
But as soon as the appeal got approved, Sammy says, I got injured. Within hours, my leg's gone, I can't walk. So our keeper's gone. We got the same back four pretty much for the last
so who won in there?
2 games. Abalai. Do you remember Abalai? From the semi-final in London last season. Did you?
Yes.
Big
But he's not a
African
goalkeeper,
brother.
is he?
He is.
Oh, he is a goalkeeper.
Yeah.
I remember when we played it, we played OIR.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he had a tough game that game as well.
I wasn't around, but I heard it was a humbling.
Yeah, I was there.
He was there.
Oh my, like he had a tough game.
So the squad was more or less announced the night before, and then in the morning I'm like, okay, cool. I'm messaging management, yo, what's going on? Is everything okay? I'm hearing Abalai doesn't finish work till 3 p.m. in Manchester. I'm like, yo, what's going on? Surely that can't be true. Obviously, we go back and forth, and then we find out he's actually finished work, but he just needs picking up.
Where does he live?
He lives North Manchester. Something.
Oh, hell no. So someone had to go and get him.
Someone had to go pick him up. Obviously, 11th hour coach, manager had to go grab
And you know
him.
what, before we continue, those who are from Phoenix are watching this, we do apologize. We're just going to cover this a little bit up. This is a common occurring thing with us. It's got nothing to do with you guys and your result.
Your flowers is coming.
Yeah,
Trust
don't worry.
me.
Yeah, just let's just deal with the Manchester thing, because this is like a normal common occurring thing anyway. So don't get bored with us just yet.
So yeah, we have to grab Abalai. He works nights.
Yeah, fair play.
So no, it's fine. But if someone's working nights, do you expect them to perform to their? I'm not saying he had a bad game. He had a decent game. I don't think the goals were his fault, to be fair. But yeah, back four same. Jabs and Abdi centre back. Munya right. Ahmed Isaac left. So that was fine. But it's the midfield.
Who's in the midfield?
I can't even remember. Bakari, Abdirashid, and Billy.
Why would they put Abdeshid in the midfield?
Yeah, I was.
Abdeshid got no legs to play.
I was toying the idea of putting him as a 9 up front.
Yeah, that's probably the best you can get out of him. Not in the midfield.
But yeah, that's what happened anyways. That was a midfield. No MS. Obviously no Omar Ibrahim. Suspended. 1-match ban. You remember from the last game. Obviously Drapes injured, out. That's usually the usual trio basically. MS was truly missed. You know, the slim brother.
Yeah. What was he not playing?
Injured. So there's a lot missing. No Yasser on the left. No Saj, still injured.
Fataya
played on the right. So he had a pretty decent game, to be fair. Up front, we had Kasim, Squeaks.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think for him, the quality is there, just fitness in it.
Yeah, because obviously it gives you good half an hour.
So you can already see
game
the squad isn't really the squad, but the boys that turned up, man. Shout out to you, man. I salute to you guys for actually.
So let's dive into the game. We're going to show the highlight, and then hopefully we can break it down and see what going on.
Okay, so this is the game. Shout out to YY Media. Make sure you check out his channel. I've actually just got it in the background here. So go on YouTube, give him a follow, all that good stuff. But yeah, we're going to go into the game. I'm going to press play. I have muted it just so that we're not hearing too much noise.
Let's go.
Manchester in the yellows. Jabs on the ball. Ahmed Isaac.
Abdurashid give the ball away there.
Yeah, Let's see that.
Ooh.
So he
challenge.
won the ball, but he caught him
I
late.
think he twisted his ankle. Wow, what he's doing flips. What's going on here with the flips?
sorry. I actually missed that during the game. To be fair, he did catch jabs.
What's this, a WWE wrestling?
WWE.
Was he WWF or WWE?
It was F to begin with, and then they changed it to E. I don't know, maybe like monetary reasons, but yeah, it was
that was a mad
Federation. Then
flipping.
it
Well,
went
looked
to
like he twisted his
entertainment.
ankle.
No, but he did catch jabs. Otherwise,
Yeah, it looked like it was a catch.
jabs is not that kind of
They're
player.
both
innit?
challenging for the ball the way it looks like it.
Yeah, the gaffer's on the pitch. Ahmed Yassin.
So what's the ref doing here? I think
treatment.
he's booking
Yellow.
the number 10.
Yeah, yellow to Phoenix.
So the guy was flipping around taking this is a short pass.
What is this?
Who's that?
That's Bakari.
What's he doing?
When I say to you, bro, there was no midfield control in that game. Just from the glimpses that I was catching.
Mosas from the ball. Oh, they lost the ball. Oh my days!
Oh,
What is
wait.
this?
Yeah, bro, it was the most scrappiest game I've seen.
But I don't get it. They wasn't even that bad.
Bro, it was just scrappy, bro. Ref is getting a card.
Who's got? Oh, someone got a second yellow. Is that the number 10?
No. Wait. Let me just go back.
Wait, hold on. Is that in this is the challenge, isn't it?
No.
This is a replay.
I don't think he's doing.
Oh, let's go
replays.
back to that. Was that the number 10? Because you got a yellow card first time around.
Players just dropping.
Yeah, go up a little further back.
All right, cool.
So the ball came in, and I think he made a challenge.
I think Jabs won the ball.
He won the ball because the ball obviously is behind the guy.
Yeah.
So what happened? The
And
number
then
10 is still on the floor.
Maybe he's pretending to be like he was hurt. But to be honest, the ref, he was very trigger happy with the cards. Because this was like minute 8 of the game.
Yeah, to be honest with you, I don't know what he's done unless we
Yeah.
missed it.
To be honest, I've not really seen it during the game.
Yeah, because
See, like, caught him late there. Billy caught the Phoenix player there. Look at this.
that's scruppy
I
as
know.
hell.
It's just, bro, the whole game was like this. Excuse me.
Oh my God, it took
Oh,
him
yeah,
again.
turned him. Sends it wide. I think it goes one more. I remember this. Then he has a shot or something. And it just goes wide. I think Abala would have had
That
that.
should have been a goal, but
Yeah.
the poor football though.
Yeah. At least hit the target.
Yeah.
Bearing in mind, we're a man up now.
Oh yeah, 10 man. I almost forgot about that. 10 man they're on down to.
What does
That-
the ref do? He gives
Wait.
a penalty.
Go back to that little bit. Was that even a penalty?
See?
Because he looks too soft to me from here.
Yeah, from this angle. I mean, I am going to show you another angle. Not today. I think Billy did try to protect the ball, and then the player probably just...
I think he was trying to protect the ball, and
Yeah.
then he got that little push on the back. Yeah,
Yeah,
it seemed very soft, but okay.
Bearing in mind, where a
What happened to the penalty?
It's coming now. We're a man up.
Oh, so this is the.
Yeah, I've just
Oh,
gone
this
back
is
a
the
little
replay.
bit.
Okay.
We're a man
So
up.
we might not be. Yeah. So now we got a penalty.
Now we got a penalty.
Okay, let's go. This sounds very promising.
So there we go. One more take on this. Yeah, I don't think the defender won the ball. Otherwise, the ball would have gone
Yeah,
out.
because the ball is front of the Manchester
Yeah,
player. So
yeah.
it's a bit of a stupid one, really. He should have just let because he's not coming to the goal. He should let him go back.
That's it. He's going
There was no
nowhere.
need for him to do anything, but it is a soft penalty still.
Soft, but it is a
It's
pen.
basically it was an invitation there.
Yeah.
If you hit me, I'm going.
I'm going down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then obviously give him what he wanted. But obviously with the other 10 man,
Look how long it takes for the
pressure's
pen
on.
to actually get taken. Like, I'm not sure if YY Media just cuts to the pen, but they go back and forth. They start stomping on the penalty spot like it's grass, but it's not. It's Astro.
And who's doing that? What number is that?
The Phoenix player. There was a lot of back and forth. So Jabs is giving Billy a bit of a prep talk. The Phoenix guy's telling him you're not going to score.
Number 17, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, there's another player outside the box just saying you're going to miss this and that. I've actually not seen this angle. Bearing in mind, 0-0, we're a man up. I think he was just confirming with the lino that the ball hadn't gone over the line at the time. Because I was just like in that corner there myself as well. Bro, the crowd.
Oh, there's another player
Atmosphere.
in the box. What is
Is
going
that
on?
same kid? It took so long for that penalty to go ahead.
That is. Why is he coming to get in the game, get involved in the game?
I'm just smiling because I was there, man. It even hit the post. Look how they all do like a Van Nistelrooy to him. You know, when they all just rush him. Yeah.
That is terrible.
After this whole thing, because we had the video on the other side, I'm gonna show you the
The other side of it.
yeah, the crowd, the fans.
That was
the
poor.
drums, like
That
shout out
was
to Bristol,
really
man.
poor.
We're still a man up. It's 0-0.
They play from the back as well.
Oh, every time. You think we should press that ball?
10 men.
Yeah.
Yeah, harass them in their box. Why should we Nah. Pass?
No.
Just get rid of the ball.
No one's passing. Nothing wrong with that.
There's enough. He got hustled.
I know. Just pass the ball. You've
Yeah, I know.
got an
You've got
extra man on the pitch.
Yeah. In that common sense.
Common sense ain't coming
Am I missing something here?
Nah, man. It was annoying to watch.
So he was trying to dribble through all of them players.
Not just him. A lot of players tried to do that.
Okay, now we got the ball. Chested down. Where's the pass? Okay. Is that Mosa on the side? Running.
Is he
Where's
gonna
the pass?
Is he
Where's
gonna
the
find
pass?
the pass? Oh, yeah, I think he
Abdeshid.
does.
Second. Okay. One more.
No, he wants to shoot.
Fatai, bring it aside.
No, he wants to shoot as well.
Good defending from by Phoenix.
Phoenix, the way they were compact when they went down to 10 men. Beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, wait, this is the second half. That's their goal.
Great hustle.
They
Great hustle.
I really can't say anything but apart from they
Bro,
deserved
10
that
man
goal.
penalty and then they hustled that. Okay.
Muller came on second half for Bacardi. Just to kind of like get a few passes together at the back, I believe.
Hey, why is he telling him where to be? He should have read that game.
So he gave the foul and then he kicks him. See,
Whoa,
that
what the hell was that?
unnecessary. And a lot of handbags. Nothing really happens there. The ref's not getting involved. The lino gets a bit closer to get a good view. I'm trying to see if it was a straight red or just a second yellow red.
Who's that?
Billy.
Billy got straight red.
Yeah.
Oh, you're
No, he had a yellow, but
kidding me.
he got a straight red. So it's
That. Well, yeah, but they can't be straight red then. You already got yellow.
But
So you have to give him a second yellow.
no, but sometimes you can get a straight red if
So
the challenge
so
is
now it's 10 to 10. 10 man
10,
each.
and they got a goal. Bro, this one I'm gonna just pause it for a second. Yeah?
Wait, is that the goalkeeper?
That's our goalkeeper.
What's he doing there?
Forget what is he doing there. Why is their player? Look, you can see it just on the
Oh,
corner
so
of the
he's the
screen.
last person on. Is he the last person?
That's the Phoenix player on that right side there.
There's no one behind him.
That, and I believe there's another centre back, but just here. You can see the shadow.
So yeah, because it's a bit of a shadow.
Why is
Wait.
Muller stepping, trying to play offside
While the guy's in his own box.
in his own half, bro? See what I mean? It was bad. At this point, it's like.
So
it's
wait,
like-
who's that there? Is that?
I'm gonna guess Munye or Abbas. Nah,
Okay.
Munye.
So why are they leaving 1-on-1? And he's not even 1-on-1 because he's not even
It's
near.
not one on
him.
one. He's clear. He's by himself.
I don't get it. How are they defending this?
It's not like we're a man down and we need to, gamble.
Yeah, it's 10 against 10.
Salvage the point.
Yeah, no, it's 10 against 10. It's only 1-0. Okay. What is happening here? I don't get it. He's a centre back as well as in number 4.
Yep, he's
So
a
what's he
centre
doing
back.
there?
Allah Alam. Well, at this stage, I didn't know what was going on.
Okay, none of this make any sense whatsoever.
I know.
This seems a very messy picture. here.
Messy. No, it was messy.
He shouldn't be there. Number 4.
I'm gonna just
He
use
shouldn't be there.
Muller, he's the number 6. He's basically the defensive
Yeah,
mid.
he shouldn't be there either. I really don't understand what are they doing.
I'm gonna just go back a little bit. So it was a long ball that was cleared from. Let's just go from here now.
So it's basically it was our ball.
I think the keeper Jabs, I think he was told to go a little bit higher.
Yeah, but that's fair play because you got 3 guys at the back.
Yeah.
He's there. There's 3 players against 1 Phoenix player.
4 should be tucking in,
Right.
like a left-sided
you
centre
you
back.
should tuck in, yeah. So the minute that guy's got the ball, number 4's out of the game.
4, 5, 8, and 6 are out of the game.
Yeah. And then the
They literally
other,
broke 2 lines.
yeah, and to top it up, our goalkeeper's halfway line.
Our goalkeeper, he was already outside of the box at this point, I believe.
Yeah, then
and
he needs to go back because the number 6 is turning now.
he should have jockeyed.
That could have been a race between them.
That's it.
So what's he doing out here?
Keeper overcommitted for me.
No, but what's he doing in the halfway line? Oh my God.
Sorry, I'm not supposed to be laughing at this.
Oh my
I'm not, boys, this is
What is he thinking? The guy's got the ball.
at least
How is he still running?
no,
Move back.
Forget running. He's trying to trying to catch the ball or
Then
something.
foul him. Yeah, he's got to take him out now. He's got to take that red card.
Why is he overcommitting?
I don't know. It's a race between 2 players there right now. He should have just waited. He should have just moved back and go back to his net.
Jockey.
Otherwise, he's got to clean him out.
I get it, close the angle.
Yeah.
But not this. I mean, he already shot.
Oh wow! I didn't even know you took a shot.
Yeah.
I was waiting. I
But-
didn't even know he was gonna do it.
But if the keeper was further back, look where he
can't
shot
take the shot,
from.
yeah.
Yeah. It's like, oh, because you know what I mean?
I thought he was going around him. He actually took a shot.
He took a shot, man.
Brave guy.
Now, the question to you is,
Is it gone in?
Do you think this ball can get caught with the speed that it's just gone at?
Yeah.
Do you think you can get that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I put money on it.
Let's go. Look at this. Is Muller really
Yeah, the ball's
busting his backside
The ball's
to
slowing
get
down.
this?
I'm
Yeah.
not looking at him just yet. I was looking at the ball. The
Okay.
ball is slowing down.
Look at him. Look at him. Is he sprinting?
Oh, don't tell me this has gone in. Nah, he's not sprinting. You're taking a mick.
He kind of gave up
Is
on
he
it,
slowing
right?
down?
Do you think? I think he gave up on it.
Nah.
Sorry, Muller, but it looks. When I was watching the game, I was like, I saw you kind of almost like.
No.
This is turning into a 5K run. Mo Farah.
No, he's not committed to that one.
This one, you know what you have to do? Mother horse,
Yeah, you're going.
you just go, bro.
Yeah, go. If you have to slide last second, slide.
Sorry, I don't know why I'm doing this pause, but yeah, there we go. It goes in. Bro, the scenes at the end.
No.
Yeah.
Nah, congratulations to Phoenix, man. I
Phoenix.
think they well deserved it.
Oh, 100%.
Well deserved it. They hustled. You know what? It was a little bit heated game unnecessarily. Like, a few little pushes and like a few fouls,
That
a
was
few red
fine.
cards were just
That
a bit
was
silly.
fine, yeah.
But well deserved, man. Like, well deserved.
On and off the pitch, 10 out of 10.
Nah, well done.
The
Well done,
welcoming,
guys.
The hospitality, the venue, the fans. Just, yeah, man. It was.
Well done. Well done.
I had a good time. I know
Nah,
we lost.
It looked like I missed the game.
Yeah. No. That was the game.
Yeah, I
That
missed
was
the game.
That
I
was
missed
the
the
game.
game.
It was 10-10, man.
But
It was
yeah.
really good. So now, obviously, after the game, we go into the changing room.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know, like when the losing team is just silent, and then you can just hear the
other
winning team.
having a
Yeah, you can just hear all the
having a moment.
celebrations.
Yeah.
It was just like we were just listening, bro. The gaffer was like, "Listen to that. That's it." I mean, I didn't really speak much, apart from after all of that finish. He said his piece, but yeah, man, you could just hear it.
I honestly think like what I've just seen that was shocking.
Yeah.
That was really bad.
Yeah. It's the worst I've seen. People asking me how's the game. I said it's the worst I've seen.
That was really bad. I'll be fuming if I drove all the way there, saw that, watched that, and I have to come back down the motorway.
3 hours, bro. And road closures. You know how they love to close roads?
Oh yeah, of course, in Birmingham. Around Birmingham. They've been doing this in Birmingham for donkeys of years, bro.
M6 exit closed. Subhanallah.
Every time,
Every time.
especially as soon as you get to night time.
It was from
It's
10,
like
10
how many
PM.
years are they building them areas? But yeah, I honestly feel sorry for you.
Why me? I had a blast, bro. I had a good time, man. Day out. Those pizzas, nice, man. Jazakallah. That was nice as well. Had a couple of slices. I got off immediately. I didn't really wait around, to be fair.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
People were still there, maybe, I don't know, another 20, 30 minutes.
Nah, I would have been with the Phoenix lot, man. Phoenix lot.
Nah, lovely people.
Trying to get some interviews done, man. I would have. I should have enjoyed that.
I really wanted to. I'm going to show you what I've got. At the start, I was like, but then I have to fill this form. I'm in the chit. Just no time. The only person I spoke to was the captain, Jabs, and that was it.
Yeah.
The game kicked off. It's already heated. So scrappy. I can't chat to no one. And I'm trying to set up my little photography booth.
So let's start with the winners.
Yes.
What do you think the chances are?
To be fair, they've said we're not here to take part.
They're taking the quote.
Wait. Let me finish it off. They said, I hope I get this correct. Correct me in the comments. They said we're not here to take part. We're here to win.
I was just making it very simple.
Yeah. They just dumbed it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Can they win? I actually think they have the minerals, man. They have the.
But this is the thing. Like, I have not seen a standout team this year.
Yeah, everyone's lacking something.
I'm telling you, everyone, like, I honestly think Manchester got no chance. And I'm saying that because there is no lessons were learned. We're taking part, but we ain't winning.
Is what you're saying?
Yeah, we're not winning it.
Hey,
Mark my words.
I'm always gonna defend Manchester, man.
No, trust me. Listen, I support the tournament.
Yeah.
And
we all
whoever wins will deserve it. I don't think Manchester's in it to win it this year.
Yeah, just to go off on a segue, this tournament, man, for the past few years, it's been
wicked.
Wicked. Shout out to the SBCL committee, everyone behind the scenes. I just want to give you guys a little 5 seconds of appreciation because it's connecting, communities
man,
across the UK basically.
Yeah, 100%. People outside the UK watching it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We can do it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, man. We can hopefully get the whole community out going forward in the future. So this could be a big tournament.
One question that was raised in the dressing room because of how bad it was, one of the players must have asked, "Can we still qualify?" I mean, yes.
Oh, how many points have they got? I've not looked at it.
So what I'll do now is I'll just pull up the table. I'm just gonna put the graphics up on the screen because my screen recording feature is giving me an issue right now. So I'll just go to the table as it stood last time round. So we looked at this when we were reviewing.
So we got OIR with 4 games played, so and 9 points.
They played all their games, and I believe they won 3 and lost 1. Yeah, they lost against us.
Oh, so obviously this table look like it's not been updated. Manchester said they got 2 games.
Yeah, they're waiting for the next game to happen.
Okay.
And then they will update it. So Manchester will still currently be on 4, but they will be now 3rd.
3 games, yeah.
Yeah, but
3 games.
We'll be 3rd in position as well.
Yes.
Because Phoenix beat us, and now they're on 7 points.
Yeah, so they'll be 2nd.
Yeah. So OIR, Phoenix, Powerhouse, Tawfiq, Western Ballers. I think they'll stay where they are until they play their next fixtures.
Okay.
And then we have Western Ballers at home. Not next weekend, the weekend after, I believe. I'm not entirely sure. We'll just wait for the confirmation. And if we win that, then we go level on points with Phoenix. But then it depends on what Phoenix do in their final game.
Who they playing?
Let me think. They played OIR. That was their first game. I actually don't know.
I'm hoping it's Tawfiq, man.
Yes, actually,
That'll be a tough game.
By process of elimination, we're playing Western Ballers. They're playing Tawfiq.
That'll be a tough game for them.
Yeah,
Tawfiq ain't a joke.
That'd be a good game. Yeah.
They had a good game against us.
Yeah.
And genuinely, they could have beat us at home. Could have been the first team that beat us
Easy. Yeah.
So that's going to be an interesting game.
So as it stands, OIR are
so
through
Western Bowlers are from?
London.
Oh, there's too many London teams in here, man.
Yeah, so Western Ballers, Tawfiq, and OIR. So 3 London teams in this group. OIR goes straight to the knockouts because they're first.
So we're playing that extra game again if we qualify.
So, no, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, you go into a playoff. But whoever is 2nd, I believe, correct me again in the comments, they get the home advantage.
Okay.
So if you finish 2nd, you play at home. You play your next game at home, like a little playoff. And then you play someone else in the other group and whatnot, or something like that.
Okay, that's interesting.
And then 3rd and then 4th.
So Phoenix, if the question you're asking is, could you still qualify?
No, it wasn't Phoenix I was asking.
Oh, who's asking?
It was a player from Powerhouse.
Oh, I thought it was Phoenix.
No. It was. I wasn't in the Phoenix dressing room.
Oh, wow.
I was in the Powerhouse dressing room because of just
That's where we
how-
are.
Yeah. Just because the mood of the dressing room was like,
Oh,
can we still
my
qualify?
God.
I was like, yeah, of
Well,
course.
yeah,
we
of
can.
course.
Yeah, we got a game. We win it. We go into the playoffs. We don't automatically qualify.
Yeah,
basically.
same as last year. But yeah,
And then we have a nice little break. Ramadan's coming up after the final match game.
what is the next game?
I think not this Sunday coming up. The Sunday after.
And that's at home, yeah?
A home game. Western Ballers.
Well, let's see what we do in there.
Let's see what Powerhouse does. Because really and truly, goal difference might come into it as well. That
Okay.
could be something else we need to look
And
at.
I don't think we got that many goals anyway.
Oh, I do apologize. Even if Phoenix win and we win, we will be second. No.
Why would it be?
My head's fried. They're on 6. They win again. They get 9. Okay, cool. No, my bad. This table is throwing me off right now that I'm looking at.
Oh, yeah. So they'll be on 6 points.
They're on 6 at the moment.
We're on 4.
Yeah.
If we win the next game and they
We're
don't
on
win the next
7.
game, we're gonna be above them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it depends. I think they're playing away actually. They're going to London because they played home against OIR. They played us
At home.
at their ground
This
as
is
well.
good to Tawfiq.
And then they're going to Tawfiq, yeah. So Tawfiq could really spoil the party for Phoenix. But can Tawfiq actually get anything out of this?
I'm surprised Tawfiq is still on 2 points at 3 games.
I know, innit?
They were a very good team.
They had 2 draws.
3. The 2 draws and a loss.
Oh, yeah.
I'm surprised by that.
They're a really
They
good,
were-
young, like, energetic squad.
Yeah.
And I like that team, to be fair.
Yeah, they look good. But sometimes it's just football, innit?
It's football.
It doesn't go in for you.
It's like, you can't
I'm sure
expect-
Western Ball is a good team as well. I mean, obviously got 1 draw and 2 losses.
Yeah.
So I'm sure they're not a pushover. I'm sure they'll be a good team.
They might think Manchester Powerhouse are...
What we saw.
They're against it.
Yeah, definitely.
So they're going to come and try and spoil something.
Yeah. I'm sure there's going to be a meeting about what's happened because that display that we have just watched now,
Yeah.
that was a joke.
Yeah. I had to watch it in person with my own eyes. So
I have not seen it. That's just basically just watched the highlight for the first time. That was a joke. I can't believe that last goal is still in my head right now. I'm actually watching it in my head right now.
Oh, Muller. I can't even fault you, man. The whole thing was a shambles.
Yeah, from as soon as we lost that ball, going to the striker, to all defenders nowhere near him. I thought that was bad enough. But then when I saw the goalkeeper, what the hell was he doing there? No, it's wild. To be honest, we normally this time when we finish the game, we normally do a player rating, but I just don't think they'll.
No. No.
There's no point
We're
doing
not
this.
doing no player ratings today. No
It's
player
just
ratings.
forget it.
Yeah. We'll save it for next game.
All we're gonna say is well done to Phoenix. Well deserved 3 points, and good luck to the rest of the tournament. And hopefully we're gonna cross paths again.
Yeah, we actually might do, in this little whole playoff system, depending on how it pans out. Who knows? We might see each other.
Because I think they might be in Birmingham. We might do like a few games. In Birmingham,
Yeah, they might
we
do
did last
like
time.
yeah,
So
yeah,
like 4 games happen in Birmingham and once.
yeah.
last year.
That'll be yeah.
Yeah.
That was such a good day out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we should pitch the idea to them again.
No, I think they're already doing something like
Yeah,
that. I
so
don't know.
It was fantastic. It was like we ended up watching our game, Cardiff against was it Wembley? Cardiff against Wembley.
Wembley Rangers.
And then there was a lot of games happening the same day, so it was fantastic.
OIR
And they had
played
everybody
earlier.
were there as well,
Yeah.
so it was great. I think it'd be a good day out. I think we came out late, didn't we? I mean, you stayed even more extra game. I can't remember what game you stayed for.
No, I stayed until the Cardiff game finished. That was a good game. It was a draw, I think, and then what happened there. But yeah, man, that's been our little review of the SBCL match day 4 between Phoenix against Manchester Powerhouse, who took an embarrassing
Horror show.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're calling the episode horror show.
that's it,
Yeah, I hate to be this person, but
bro.
it
It's
is
what we
it
see.
is. Yeah,
What you want us to do?
Yeah.
What did I just watch right now? What the hell? I'm not gonna big that up and say, yeah, that was start. They're all lucky guys. That was fun, bro. That looks terrible.
yeah.
And it is what it is. I can't believe that we were 11 men, missed a penalty, and the game ended like that.
2-0 to them. Yo. We're cutting this up.
No, we're not getting that. Right. Listen, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comments. And Phoenix, well done. Make sure you continue with this uprising. We'll see you the rest of the tournament. Let's hope we get revenge on you guys, man.
Let
Good
us
night.
know who's gonna win. Put it in the comments.
We'll see who that's going to be.
Yeah.
Good night.